Okay, it's time to get back to Nystad. We are going to Netto right now to get a little snack, and then we can go home and get some lovely dinner. But the reason we are going home now, the weather. The weather is changing. It's going to rain. It's going to piss on us, and I don't want to get pissed on. Oh shit, we are going down that road again. Shit. And Yamaha is going off-road. Oh, I think he almost tripped. Okay, buddy? He is okay. Dab. Just lovely. It's starting to piss on me now. I kører bare hjem, hvis det er. Ja, det gør det. Hej. Det var hyggeligt. Ja, Hyggeligt. Vi snakkes ved. Det er godt så. Hygge jer. Ah, that's great. It started to piss on me. And it's totally fine. The guys is going home. But for me, I still have a whole freaking hour. Luckily, I got my rain pants. But unfortunately, I already got that wet. That's just shit. I hate rain. I don't hate rain, but it's just not fun to ride in. It's not fun to ride in. And it's definitely not fun when you have to stop in the middle of the road to get some rain pants on. And then your seat will get all wet after this. I hope my little baby GoPro will survive. It's not waterproof either. And this GoPro is not waterproof either. So if the video just stops, that's why, guys, and I'm sorry. But anyway, I think I might have to end the video here, unfortunately. But it's been an awesome day. My first meetup ever. My first planned meetup. But as always, please leave a like, comment down below if you have anything, and subscribe. And remember, I am making Q&As every single last week in the month. And if you want to get features in one of those videos, leave a comment down below with Q&A and then your question. But I am gonna go now. SlowCat out. Peace!
Like a Hellcat.